Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mary. We will take Connect Plus grade 2 كتاب الباهر unit 1 ready get set go. Okay, now you will have vocabulary part 1. Listen and repeat after me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Get up, eat, walk, go home, play, drink, find, water, bike, sandwich, okay, half past, ride, walk. Okay, now study the following. There is dialogue between the boy and his teachers. He asks to her and he says, good morning, Miss Nahla. Good morning, Ibrahim. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. See you soon. If I want to greet someone, I must say to them, good morning. And if I want to ask about his health, I must say, how are you? I reply, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, now pay attention of these sentences. It's very good and it's very important. We do all these things every day. I get up at 7 o'clock. Number 2, I eat my breakfast at 7:30. 3, I walk to school with my mom at 8 o'clock. 4, I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat sandwiches and I drink water. 5, I play tennis after school at 4:30. 6, I go home at 5:30. I ride my bike. Pay attention of the verbs get up, eat, walk, have, eat, drink, play, go, ride. All these verbs which write in red color, it's present simple tense. What's the meaning of the present simple tense? We use the present simple tense when we want to express about the facts or habits we do every day, we do regularly. So we use the present simple tense. What the present simple tense consists of? It consists of the subject pronouns I, we, you, they, plus verb and infinitive without any addition at the end of the verb. For example, get up. You can see letter S at the end of the verb. You can see letter ES at the end of the verb. You can see letters ED at the end of the verb. You can see letters ING at the end of the verb. It's not a regular verb, so this verb is in the infinitive, and the subject pronouns I, we, you, they comes with the verb in infinitive. For example, I get up, I eat, I walk, I have, I eat, I drink, I play, I go, I ride. Okay, but if the subject pronouns he or she or it, we must add to the verb at the end of it letter S or ES or IES. Okay, very good. Now we will complete the present simple tense. As we say, it consists of the subject pronouns I, they, we, you, or any plural noun plus verb in infinitive. And we say verb in infinitive means that the verb without any addition at the end of the verb, means the basic verb. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock. If you wanted to know what's the meaning of the infinitive of the verb, you must knock on the verb and ask them, get up. Do you have letter S at the end? No. Do you have a letter ES at the end? No. Do you have letters ING at the end? No. Do you have letters ED at the end? No. Are you a regular verb? No, this verb is infinitive. For example, we eat sandwiches. This verb is infinitive. Number 2, he, she, it, or any singular noun plus verb plus letters S or ES. We can end ES at the end of the verb with subject pronouns he or she or it if the verb ends with letters CH or SH or X or O or SS or Z. Again, يبقى we can end this letter, add ES2 at the end of the verb when the subject pronouns he or she or it, and the verb ends with letter CH, SH, X, O, SS, Z. Okay? Also, we must add ES at the end of the verb. It's excellent. Okay, now we will complete. We eat sandwiches. She walks to school. Pay attention. We add letter S to the verb walks because the subject pronoun is she. She walks to the school with her mom. He plays tennis. We add letter S to the verb at the end of the verb because the subject pronoun is he. She goes home at 2 o'clock. We add letters ES to the end of the verb because the subject pronoun is she and the verb go ends with letter O. Okay, do you understand? Now we want to know the question of the present simple tense. How can we make questions? There is two helping verbs which comes at the beginning of the sentence. This means this is question. Do or does. Do or does. Do and does when we want to make question, and do when the answer is yes or no. Do comes with the subject pronouns I, they, we, you, or any plural noun. And the verb comes after them must be an infinitive, as we say, without any addition at the end of it. For example, do you get up at 6:30? Pay attention, get up. This verb is infinitive, and it comes after do. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does he or she or it or any singular noun? Pay attention with the verb in infinitive. How? If he or she or it comes in the sentence, we must add letters S or ES at the end of the verb. For example, she walks, she eats, he plays. But if we want to make question and we must use helping verb does, the verb comes after the subject pronouns he or she or it must be an infinitive. We must remove letter S or ES from the verb. For example, does she get up? Pay attention, get up. It didn't have letter S or ES at 7 o'clock. And then I will reply, yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. We finish our video. Don't forget to make subscribe for the channel. Don't forget to make like, leave your comment. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.